Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this wonderful designs adapted from Starnest pattern. This design is unique and beautiful, and it's easy even for beginners. So can you watch the whole video for a complete tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe. The material I use for creating these patterns are yarns, 2 buttons, a tapestry needle, crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. Firstly, make slip knot, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 1 double crochet in chain 1, insert the hook in chain 1, grab the working yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops to complete the double crochet stitch. Chain 5, 3, 4, 5. 1 double crochet in chain 3 from hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 last loop. Chain 5 again, 3, 4, 5. Make 1 double crochet again in chain 3 from hook, insert the hook, grab the working yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over to complete the double crochet stitch. Chain 5 again, 3, 4, 5, 1 double crochet in chain 3, complete the double crochet. 4 circles are ready now. I will repeat this pattern to create 6 more circles for this part. Now 10 circle is ready, and it looks like this. Now I will make puff stitch to create Starnest design. I begin with chain 3 and 5 half double crochet and circle 1 from this side, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab the yarns, pull the yarn through whole loop, but leave 2 loops in the hook before completing the puff patterns. Then chain 1, 2 single crochet on the top of puff, chain 2 for picot stitch, two more single crochet in the same space, slip stitch. It's almost complete. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch beside the puff. Okay, here is Starnest shape for this pattern. Then make another puff in second circle for this side. 1 half double crochet, 5 times half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Alright, grab the yarn but leave 2 loops in the hook before grabbing the yarns to complete the puff patterns. Chain 1, make 2 single crochet on top of puff pattern. Chain 2 for picot stitch. Insert the hook into 2 loops here. Grab the yarn to complete the picot stitch. It's a bit challenging for this. 2 more single crochet in the same space. 1, 2. Okay, be careful. Slip stitch. It's almost done. Chain 3 again. 2, 3, and slip stitch again beside the puff pattern. Make the third puff in third circle. For this part, make 5 incomplete half double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab the working yarn. Okay, pull it through but leave 2 loops in the hooks before completing the puff stitch. Chain 1. Chain 1 is ready. Now 2 single crochet on top of puff. 2 chain for a picot stitch. 2 single crochet in same space. Slip stitch. Alright, chain 3 again and slip stitch beside the puff. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's almost done. Alright, do the same on the whole circle. You will get this result. It looks like this. Now to make the other side, before you do that, you need to create 16 chain like this. Actually this one is optional, you can make it or exclude it. 16. Now slip stitch in this space. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 incomplete half double crochet in this space to form puff pattern. 3, 4, 5. Grab the yarn to complete the puff pattern. Chain 1, 2 half double crochet on top of puff just like before. 2, chain 2 for picot stitch. 1, 2. Insert the hook into 2 loops to make a picot stitch. 2 single crochet in same space. 1, 2. Slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch here. First star anise pattern of this side is ready now. I'm gonna make the second one. I will make 5 incomplete half double crochet in this space. 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, grab the working yarn, pull through whole loop but leave 2 loops in the hook before completing the puff stitch. Chain 1 and make 2 single crochet on top of puff. 2 single crochet. 1, 2, chain 2. Insert the hook here for a picot stitch. 2 more single crochet. 1, 2, and slip stitch in the same space. Make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch here. Make the third puff stitch here. Over in the space we make the previous puff pattern. 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab the working yarn, yarn over, pull through whole loop, but leave 2 loops in the hook before completing the puff stitch. Chain 1 and make 2 single crochet on top of puff. Chain 2 for picot stitch. Okay, 2 single crochet again. Slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make slip stitch here in the space. In this space, I mean. Okay, now it's ready. It looks like this. Repeat the previous pattern to get this result. Make a chain 1 before you cut the yarn. Then cut the yarn. Finally, sew on the button. Okay, this unique mesh adapter is ready. You can try it yourself and it is very easy, although it's a bit challenging sometimes. Whatever, thank you for watching. Bye bye.